Alright guys, so I went and just threw this shirt on real quick. Here it is, check it out. Alright, so I want to reiterate, this is my first time ever painting a t-shirt. I've done some of these other paintings kind of right behind you. The one with the flames and the skull on the left is the very first flame, or actually it's not the very first, it's the second flames I ever did, and I added the skull later. But I learned some valuable lessons doing this painting, and I'm going to point them out to you as they pop up. So far so good. I laid in some flames on my light color, some yellow. Then I think I'm going to come in with some orange here. I've learned a whole lot, guys, since I almost didn't even post this video. Because of, some of that is just rough. A lot of the same shapes and textures. And well, I haven't had any textures, but... So those are roughed in. Now the big mistakes come in, which is not covering up those flames a little more. Even just one more layer of blue tape would have been great. Or, you know, even taping a couple sheets of paper right above that would have been great. But the overspray gets on there, and that's how you learn. I've made a bunch of more shirts from then to now, and am I a pro? No. I've been doing it about a month. So these are my results. This is my very first shirt, guys. I really appreciate you watching. And look, I'm making it even worse. Just keep making it worse. Yes. But these are the styles I'm into. I'm repainting a motorcycle this spring. Stick around. Thank you guys for watching. First time ever doing a shirt, so awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.